Alright guys, so we're back with our little game. We've got it working. Now there's just one more thing that I'd like to show you, and that's control. So at the moment, I'm actually grabbing this face and moving it myself with my mouse pointer. And that's one way of controlling, but there are some others. So let's just have a look at some different ways of having user control. Because if we're making a game, we want the players to be able to play. Alright, so let's have a look. It could be that I have when the flag gets clicked, forever, and it could be as simple as I want you to forever go to the motion, and you can have go to. So if I say forever go to the mouse pointer, then when I click the flag, then my face just automatically follows the mouse pointer around wherever it goes. I don't have to click on it and drag it. It's just doing that by itself. Alright, that's one way of user control, and a pretty good way. Alright, I'll just stop the game. Let's try something different. What if I said when the mouse gets clicked, I want it to forever if, and let's have a forever if the key something gets pressed. So if I said forever if the key W gets pressed, I want my face to change the Y by 10. Now Y is the up and down direction, and what you can see here is that there's mouse X and mouse Y show you where the mouse pointer is. So Y goes up and down this way. So if I say forever if the key W gets pressed, change Y by 10, let's see what happens. When I press the W, my face goes up. Now if I had it that, I'll just use my duplicate tool and duplicate this down and say forever if the key S gets pressed, I want to change Y by -10. So that means it's going to go the other direction. So now I've got S makes him go down and W makes him go up. And we can do the same trick with the X, which is left and right. So let's go down one more. I duplicated another one down. Now I'm going to say if the if the A key gets pressed, and now we don't want to change the Y, so I'm going to pull that one out. We're going to change the X. If the A key gets pressed, change X by 10. And once again, you just try it out. So that's going the wrong way. So I want it to go -10. So once again, it's just trial and error. You try things out. That's working for me. And then if the D key gets pressed, I want it to just go 10. And now I've got W, S, A and D, and I can move my face around like I'm playing a game. And that would work if this was a car or a plane or a spaceship or a little person running. So that's how we get some control. They're not the only ways that you can control your sprite, but there's two good ways. One, you can follow the mouse pointer, and another one, you can set some keys to steer your object. Alright guys, we're going to come back in the next tutorial and talk about some different types of games that you can make. Have fun. Let's see if you can come up with something deadly.